Welcome to the Web Agency Chatbot Preview. This intelligent chatbot is designed to simplify how businesses explore web solutions, making their digital journey easier, guided, and completely effortless. The interaction begins with a warm welcome message followed by a main menu featuring 5 service options: Our Services, Request a Proposal, Explore Solutions, Site Support, and Contact Us. These are standard industry features, but they can be fully customized to match individual business needs and requirements. When a user selects Site Support, the chatbot prompts them to choose a suitable support plan. Once a plan is selected, the bot provides complete details about the chosen option. After clicking Book Now, the chatbot shares a short questionnaire to collect essential information such as the company name, website URL, billing frequency, and support category. Once all details are submitted, the chatbot instantly generates a summary of the request and sends an acknowledgement message, confirming that the support request has been successfully recorded. This chatbot delivers a smooth, professional, and user-friendly experience, helping businesses access web support services quickly and efficiently through a guided conversation. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the Flow Builder. This is where our Start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the Welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, we can collect and store users' information through question nodes. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Web Agency Chatbot template installation process and Flow Builder overview.